And this is how modern factories produce the Kawasaki Versys 1000 from start to finish.
At dawn, the legendary Akashi Works awakens.
Cargo shipment Kawasaki trucks arrive, carrying premium raw aluminum and steel destined to become the robust Kawasaki Versys 1000.
These raw metal ingots must meet strict purity standards before transformation into the Kawasaki Versys 1000's lightweight, durable chassis. Thousands of tons of raw material sit ready, marking the beginning of the industrial journey for every new Kawasaki Versys 1000.
Inside the foundry, aluminum ingots melt at extreme temperatures, preparing to be cast into the Kawasaki Versys 1000 main frame. Kawasaki Workers monitors the molten liquid, ensuring the alloy composition is perfect for the structural integrity of the Kawasaki Versys 1000.
Precision die casting molds are prepped and cleaned, ready to shape the molten metal into the Kawasaki Versys 1000's backbone.
Simultaneously, high-tensile steel tubes arrive at the cutting station, destined to form the sturdy subframe of the Kawasaki Versys 1000. Automated laser cutters slice the steel with micron-level precision, ensuring every Kawasaki Versys 1000 subframe component fits together flawlessly.
Kawasaki Uniformed Kawasaki Workers inspects the cut steel edges.
Kawasaki Uniformed Workers verifies the plastic grade, ensuring the cowl components for the Kawasaki Versys 1000 will withstand harsh weather conditions.
Spools of wiring and raw rubber for seals are cataloged, essential for the Kawasaki Versys 1000's complex electronics and waterproofing.
Solvents. Automated CNC machines drill Kawasaki Versys 1000 engine mounting points with micron-level accuracy. The heart of the beast is born. The 1043cc inline 4 Kawasaki Versys 1000 engine block.
Pistons slide into the cylinder sleeves, ready to compress the fuel-air mixture that powers the Kawasaki Versys 1000 across continents.
The complex cylinder head is mated to the block, sealing the high-compression chambers where the Kawasaki Versys 1000 generates its torque. Kawasaki Uniformed Kawasaki Workers sets the cam timing with absolute precision, ensuring the Kawasaki Versys 1000 breathes efficiently at high RPMs. The cassette transmission slides in, a robust gearbox designed to handle the torque output of the Kawasaki Versys 1000 in any gear.
Kawasaki technicians stack the player the assist and slipper clutch, a technology that prevents rear-wheel hop on the
Automated dispensers apply sealant before the covers are bolted on, hermetically sealing the Kawasaki Versys 1000 engine internals.
The electronic throttle valves are installed, providing the precise fuel metering that gives the Kawasaki Versys 1000 its smooth, linear power delivery.
High-performance ignition coils are seated, ready to deliver the spark that ignites the Kawasaki Versys 1000's powerful combustion cycle.
Every Kawasaki Versys 1000 engine undergoes a cold test, spun by electric motors to...
At the marriage station, the chassis meets the Kawasaki Versys 1000 engine as the 43cc powerhouse.
Kawasaki Uniformed Kawasaki Workers secure the Kawasaki Versys 1000 engine mounts with high torque bolts.
The Kawasaki Workers hangs the chassis components, sending the raw Kawasaki Versys 1000 frames into a chemical wash to remove machining oil. Robotic atomizers apply a flawless coat of metallic black paint, electrostatically bonding it to every curve of the Kawasaki Versys 1000.
The frames travel through a high-temperature baking oven, curing the paint to create the Kawasaki Versys 1000's scratch-resistant, premium finish. Kawasaki Uniformed Kawasaki Workers performs a tactile inspection, verifying that the Kawasaki Versys 1000 chassis meets the
Kawasaki Uniformed Kawasaki Workers uses a hydraulic press to seat the steering bearings, a critical step for the Kawasaki Versys 1000's agile handling. Kawasaki Uniformed Kawasaki Workers assembles the robust aluminum swing arm, applying heavy-duty grease to ensure the
Kawasaki Uniformed Scan Worker turns to the tail for the scans the component.
Kawasaki Uniformed Workers bolt the subframe to the main chassis, finalizing the skeleton that will support the rider and the Kawasaki Versys 1000 engine.
A precision laser etches the unique VIN, giving this specific Kawasaki Versys 1000 its permanent legal identity before assembly begins.
The completed chassis lineup moves toward the main assembly hall, where these empty frames will evolve into the fully functional Kawasaki Versys 1000. Autonomous robotic carts navigate the floor, delivering precise parts kits to the line, ensuring efficient assembly for every Kawasaki Versys 1000.
Kawasaki Uniformed Workers secures the chassis, ensuring the Kawasaki Versys 1000 frame is rigid and stable for the complex installation steps ahead.
The assembly line winds through the factory like a river, a carefully calculated path designed to build the Kawasaki Versys 1000 with maximum efficiency.
Gathering the exact fasteners required, eliminating errors during the assembly of the Kawasaki Versys 1000.
Overhead displays monitor the heartbeat of the factory, ensuring the production rate of the Kawasaki Versys 1000 meets global demand. The entire line advances in unison, a synchronized pulse that moves the Kawasaki Versys 1000 one step closer to its final form.
Before the main assembly continues, we shift focus to the sub-assembly stations, where complex modules for the Kawasaki Versys 1000 are prepared offline.
Skilled Kawasaki technicians build the critical subcomponents that will soon be integrated into the growing structure of the Kawasaki Versys 1000. Kawasaki uniformed workers assembles the radial mount brake calipers, ensuring the Kawasaki Versys 1000 possesses the stopping power required for a fully loaded tourer.
The advanced TFT color dashboard is energized and tested, the digital interface that connects the rider to the Kawasaki Versys 1000 systems.
Kawasaki workers installs the ergonomic switchgear onto the wide handlebars, giving the rider intuitive control over the Kawasaki Versys 1000 electronic aids.
Heated grips are installed and bonded, a premium feature ensuring the Kawasaki Versys 1000 remains comfortable during cold, long-distance adventures. Kawasaki uniformed workers inspect the sophisticated LED headlight array, designed to illuminate corners as the Kawasaki Versys 1000 leans into turns.
The high-pressure fuel pump is sealed into the tank, ready to feed the thirsty inline 4 Kawasaki Versys 1000 engine of the Kawasaki Versys 1000.
The locking fuel cap is fitted and tested, securing the fuel supply for the long ranges the Kawasaki Versys 1000 is built to cover. Kawasaki workers assembles the rear shock absorber, compressing the heavy spring that will support the Kawasaki Versys 1000 and its luggage.
Organize the finished sub-assemblies onto a mobile rack.
The sub-assemblies arrive at the main line, ready to be integrated into the growing structure of the Kawasaki Versys 1000. The high-capacity radiator is installed, ensuring the Kawasaki Versys 1000 engine stays cool even during slow-moving traffic or off-road heat.
Listen past. Kawasaki Uniformed Tamaki workers installs the high-volume exhaust system, tuned to meet strict emission standards while preserving lid.
The horizontal backlink rear suspension is secured, a design that centralizes mass and provides the Kawasaki Versys 1000. The air intake box is seated, designed to channel cool, oxygen-rich air directly into the throttle bodies of the Kawasaki Versys 1000. The Kawasaki Versys 1000 engine control unit is installed, the digital brain that manages fuel maps, traction control.
Kawasaki uniformed workers mounts the rear fender and LED taillight, completing the rear profile and ensuring visibility for the Kawasaki Versys 1000.
Rubber-damped foot pegs are installed, designed to isolate vibration and provide all-day comfort for the Kawasaki Versys 1000 rider and passenger.
Subframe stay, the structural support that holds the heavy front cowling of the Kawasaki Versys 1000 steady at speed.
The sharp front nose cowl is fitted, giving the Kawasaki Versys 1000 its distinctive face and housing the powerful LED lighting system.
Kawasaki uniformed Kawasaki workers installs the aerodynamic side fairings, sculpting the airflow around the rider and
The adjustable windscreen mechanism is installed and tested, allowing Kawasaki Versys 1000 riders to customize wind protection on the fly.
Interior cockpit panels are fitted, creating a clean, premium environment for the rider behind the handlebars of the Kawasaki Versys 1000.
Kawasaki workers inspects the fit and finish, ensuring the bodywork gaps on the Kawasaki Versys 1000 meet the high standards of Japanese manufacturing. With its bodywork secured and form complete, the Kawasaki Versys 1000 moves forward to receive its electronic soul and final programming.
Check. Verifying the electronic cruise control, a vital feature for the long-distance touring capabilities of the Kawasaki Versys 1000.
The quick shifter sensor is calibrated, enabling seamless, clutchless gear changes to keep the Kawasaki Versys 1000 accelerating without interruption.
Kawasaki uniformed Kawasaki workers uses thermal imaging to verify the heated grips are functioning, ensuring the Kawasaki 1000.
The inertial measurement unit is zeroed on a level plane, calibrating the sensors that will monitor the Kawasaki Versys 1000's dynamic orientation.
The battery is installed and connected, providing the stored energy required to start the Kawasaki Versys' powerful
workers cycles through the LED lighting array, confirming that the Kawasaki Versys 1000 will command attention and visibility on the road.
The electronic control suspension is cycled, verifying the system can instantly adapt the Kawasaki Versys 1000 damping to changing road surfaces.
With its electronic nervous system fully operational,
The Kawasaki Versys 1000 advances to the precision alignment phase. Fastened workers bleeds the hydraulic brakes, ensuring a firm, responsive lever feel for the Kawasaki Versys 1000's powerful stopping system.
Kawasaki workers adjusts the drive chain tension to the exact factory spec, ensuring efficient power transfer to the laser alignment tool confirms the rear wheel tracking is perfect, preventing premature wear and ensuring the Kawasaki Versys 1000 tracks true.
Kawasaki workers performs a critical safety torque check on the axle nuts, locking in the structural integrity of the Kawasaki Versys 1000 before it moves. Kawasaki workers installs the wind-deflecting handguards, a signature feature that adds style and weather protection to the Kawasaki Versys 1000. The thick, comfort-focused seats are latched into place, completing the ergonomic interface for the Kawasaki Versys 1000 rider and passenger. Armed Kawasaki workers fits the integrated pannier mounts, a clever system that allows hard luggage to be attached seamlessly to the Kawasaki Versys 1000.
Kawasaki workers sets the final tire pressure, ensuring the Kawasaki Versys 1000 is ready to roll smoothly onto the rolling road test equipment.
Kawasaki workers performs a final detail, polishing the mirror-coated spark black paint until the Kawasaki Versys 1000 looks showroom ready.
Released from the assembly dolly, the fully built Kawasaki Versys 1000 rolls toward the rolling road booth for its first dynamic test.
The Kawasaki Versys 1000 is secured on the rolling road dyno, ready for the performance run that verifies power delivery and system integration.
The dyno run unleashes the full power of the Kawasaki Versys 1000, confirming the Kawasaki Versys 1000 engine meets factory performance targets. Emissions are measured, ensuring the Kawasaki Versys 1000 complies with global standards while retaining its characterful sound.
High-pressure water jets test the seals, confirming the Kawasaki Versys 1000 electronics remain protected in heavy rain.
Vibration analysis ensures the Kawasaki Versys 1000 delivers smooth power without harsh resonances.
Real-time road simulation validates the Kawasaki Versys 1000's handling and rider aids in controlled conditions. Green tags attached, the Kawasaki Versys 1000 certified perfect and ready for crating.
Ultimate oversight ensures no detail escapes before release.
Complete history travels with each Kawasaki Versys 1000.
Testing conquered. These adventure machines prepare for owners worldwide.
The mark of perfection earned. The Kawasaki Versys 1000, ready for final touches.
With quality unquestionable, the final chapter begins. Delivery of adventure to riders everywhere. Perfection preserved. Final packaging ensures every Kawasaki Versys 1000 arrives flawless. Delicate bodywork shielded from transit risk. Suspension and wheels immobilized for global shipping.
Comprehensive shielding guards against damage. Custom crate cradles the Kawasaki Versys 1000 like a jewel. Crate sealed with precision for international transport. Safe elevation begins warehouse journey.
Every Super Kawasaki Versys 1000 bike tracked from production to delivery.
A fleet of dreams stands ready for global riders.
The journey to owners begins. Secure dispatch from Akashi.
Professional loading ensures zero movement across continents. Sealed and secure, another batch begins global journey.
From raw materials to masterpiece, this is the complete journey of pure adventure.
If this epic journey of Japanese Kawasaki Versys 1000 engineering thrilled you, like this video and comment which motorcycle we should build next.
Subscribe and hit the bell. Join us for more real factory breakdowns of the world's greatest machines. Precision Kawasaki Versys 1000 engineering meets adrenaline. This is the Kawasaki Versys 1000.
Perfection preserved. Final packaging ensures every Kawasaki Versys 1000 arrives in flawless factory fresh condition.
Delicate bodywork shielded from any transit risk, maintaining pristine beauty until unveiling. Suspension and wheels immobilized to prevent movement during global shipping. Comprehensive shielding applied, guarding against the slightest scratch or impact.
Custom crate Kawasaki Versys 1000 engineered specifically for the Kawasaki Versys 1000 silhouette cradles the adventure tourer like a jewel.
Crate sealed with precision, ready for secure international transport.
Finished masterpieces await owners in perfect preservation.
Every adventure tourer tracked meticulously from production to delivery worldwide.
A fleet of dreams stands ready, each crate holding pure adventure performance.
The journey to passionate owners begins. Secure dispatch from Akashi to the world. Professional loading ensures zero movement across continents. Sealed and secure, another batch of ultimate adventure tourers begins their global journey.
If this epic journey of Japanese Kawasaki Versys 1000 engineering thrilled you, like this video and comment which motorcycle we should build next.
Subscribe and hit the bell. Join us for more real factory breakdowns of the world's greatest machines. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.